are all of the phone cases that I've made for the past few weeks to sell on this weekend for the booth. I'm really happy with how all the colors turns out, and yeah. Hi, so before I start this video, I just want to say that I'm really sorry that I haven't been uploading at all for the past few weeks. It's because I've been spending all my time preparing for the booth tomorrow and also juggling between my studies and my shop, so I kind of neglected YouTube a little bit. So yeah, but now I am back and I finally got everything pretty much settled. I'm really excited about the booth tomorrow, so I thought that I should document it down because I get to share my handmade craft with other people, and this time I made double the amount that I did last year, so I'm pretty proud of myself. But I also kind of neglected my YouTube for a bit, so but right now I need to do some packing to pack everything that I need for the booth tomorrow, and also wipe everything down once so that it's clean and without any fingerprints on them. So yeah, let's go.
I want to soar to higher heights, brighter than the fireworks of 4th of July nights. Label me the king of the clouds. I want to be found in a haze of wide and subconscious. Wow. I wanna lose the feeling in my brain as I breathe in and my lungs deflate. So tell me if I'm too washed out. So grab me the ashes of the fireworks and light me free from the weight of the earth, the gravity dissociating. So grab me the ashes of the fireworks and light me free.
Hopefully it'll do well tomorrow. I'm just really excited to share it with other people. And I have also made some earrings, necklaces and bracelets. They are already in this box that I'm gonna be bringing over tomorrow. Also gonna be bringing these 2 carpets with me tomorrow just to decorate the decorate the table. And yeah, so now let's move on to making the price list. I'm gonna use all of this as reference, and I just thought it's easier if I use crayon and paint a huge picture, like a huge painting of it, and it will look a little bit more cuter. So yeah. This is the previous one that I've made, and I think it looks a little bit ugly, so I made a new one to replace it. And I like this one much better because I kind of ruined it here, and I really hate my handwriting here, so I'm taking all of this with me to decorate the booth. I really don't want to move this, but I think I'll keep it in this box first.
Don't know what changed, maybe all the things I wish I never knew. At times I try to think of myself before.
I have all the stuff that I need for tomorrow ready, and here's how I pack it. Yeah, hopefully everything goes well tomorrow. only 6 o'clock in the evening and I'm finally done. And now let's head home. Ew, disgusting.
Let's go.
Day 2, let's go. To be completely honest, the pop-up didn't go as well as I anticipated it because I had a booth at the same exact event last year and it actually was better than this year. Initially, I thought that it would be better compared to last year, so I made more cases to bring it there, but I ended up with so many ready-made phone cases that didn't sell. Let me show you. But thankfully I managed to sell all of this on my shop's Instagram account. So right now I'm just gonna be packing them and bringing them to the post office later to post them out. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna be doing now. And for this leftovers, I'm thinking of making further discount on them because there's no point for me to hold all of this ready-made phone cases because it's really hard for me to meet a customer that wants the same exact design and same exact phone model that I already have in hand. So I think it's better to just sell them at a discounted price, which is what I'm going to be doing to these cases. But now let's settle the ones that I already have orders on. I only have 5 plastic bags to package my cases, so I'm gonna go to the post office and get more of this later, and for now I can only package 5 cases. One of my personal favorite. I really like how the flowers turns out, like the combination of the color. Ta-da!